everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Thank you so much for joining me on my YouTube channel today for my Teach Me Tuesdays episode 255, and it is going to be super quick. I'm going to show you the finished card. Remember yesterday I did that, what was the name of that kit? So Much to Celebrate kit. I did it with my mimeograph Monday with a twist, and I thought, oh my gosh, it would make a cute calendar, and it does. So I'm going to show you that. And then I'm also going to show you the mini masterpiece that you can earn in the month of March. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So welcome so much to my channel. During the live premiere, I am in the chat room, so if you head on over there, that's where I'll be with a bunch of my friends. So if you, want to chit-chat, you have any questions or any of that, that's where I'll be. If you are watching the replay, then just leave a comment down below, and then YouTube will let me know, and then I can reach out to you. So for my mini masterpieces, those are something you can earn when you order from me $75 before tax and shipping in the month. And I send the little mini masterpiece in your thank you card in the following month. So I'll show you the ones everybody will be getting in February that earned it. I'll show you how cute that turned out. And then I'll show you the March one. And that's just something that I do. That's not something that Stampin' Up! Offers. It's just a little extra something that I put in your thank you card. I did these years ago, and then I brought them back, I don't know, maybe half a year or so ago, and started doing them again. And I have heard so much from everybody that they're liking getting them again. So it has been fun, because a lot of times I will pull out some of my older sets, that are retired, that I haven't inked up in a long time. So I'm just showing them a little bit of love. And sometimes it's fun to pull out that old stuff, the old drawings and all that kind of stuff. So that's what I've been doing for those. All right, so yeah, I think that's all I wanted to blabber about at the beginning. Yeah, because if you have followed me for a long time, I used to do country dozen reward points where you earned a sunflower, and I have stopped offering that at the end of February. Because Stampin' Up's going to come up with a new reward program starting in April, so it didn't make sense for me to do double reward things. So I'm still doing the mini masterpiece, but I took the country dozen reward points away. That being said, if you have your reward points and you have a full sheet or whatever, you want to make sure you redeem them by the end of April, because after that, they're not going to be good anymore. So make sure, if you have any questions at all, make sure you holler at me. Okay, so I think that's all, and now let me spin the camera. So close your eyes just for a second while I do that. So yesterday, I showed the So Much to Celebrate kit, and I did it as a mimeograph Monday with a twist. So what I did was, this was how it was supposed to be made, and then I did it as a twist where I added my Darling Dino set, and I added T-Bone, and I loved how that turned out so much. I need to make some more of these. But at the end of the video, I was like, oh my gosh, this would make a really cute desktop calendar. And I have got these, I still have, a bunch of these left over. So I'm going to make a bunch of these little calendars. And so as long as it stands up, and this does, right? Because it stands up this way. So I just had to make a little easel. So what I did was I cut my cardstock. So I cut it 6 by 4. I just scored it at 2, and I scored it at a quarter of an inch. You could even probably go a little bit bigger as well. And then I just glue that in there, and then ta-da, it makes this little easel so that it stands up. So that's just always the size I do. However long it is, and then by 4. So this was 6. So I cut 6 by 4, and then I did those scores. And now I have this cute little desktop calendar, and I just glued this directly. Now I probably could have popped these, but if you pop them up too high, then the calendar sits out. So that's why I glued them directly. Now we could, you know, these ones around here, we could now bring them up a little bit. Let me get my pick tool. So I could bend some of these up so there's a little bit, you know, of motion, little dimension. But I did put T-bone on with the dimensional, because you don't want, because see what I mean, this calendar glues right down. So if you had a bunch of dimensionals back there, it wouldn't lay flat. But I love how that turned out. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. And then it just lays flat, and it goes in the envelope that comes with that kit. And here's the envelope. So see, it just goes right in that envelope. So now I can, you know, send that or hand that to somebody. I give these away a lot. We go to the food trucks, and, you know, I hand them out and stuff. But I still have some of them. It's still the beginning of the year, so, but I love how that turned out. All right, so now let me go to the mini masterpiece. So if you earned one of these in February, so here's little T-bone. So this is the one that you will be getting with your thank you card if you earned him in February. And these will go out pretty soon. I need to get them all made, but they are adorable. And then I usually wait till all my reports have finished on the Stampin' Up site, and then I get them out. But this is the February one. So let me show you the adorable one you can earn in March. So here's the little mini masterpiece that you can earn when you qualify for an order in March. And then I just put, you know, the month on there on the back. And this is so fun. This is an old stamp site. It's called, oh, what is it called? Hanging on the Line or something like that. But it's so adorable. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to play with that. And I love how it turned out. So yeah, so if you order $75 before tax and shipping in the month of March, then I will send you one of these little cuties the first part of April with your March thank you card. All right, so let me say see you later. So yeah, like I said, that was a really quick. I probably could have saved that one till Friday for my Dies shorts, to be honest, but I wanted to get that out there at the beginning of the month. Last month I was it last month? I think I was so busy. It took me a while to get the mini masterpiece. Maybe it was the month before. I don't know. But I usually try to get them done right at the beginning of the month, and then sometimes things get like too busy. But all right. So let me know if you have any questions on anything that I mentioned today. Otherwise, I will see you Friday for my Dies shorts, and that will be at 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. And I'm hoping I will know what the kits are for the month of March by then. We should be learning what those are soon, so I'll be able to share those with you. And I'm crossing my fingers. They're super cute, like the last few months have been. And so yeah, so I'm going to stop blabbing. I will see you Friday, and have a good rest of your week. All right. Thanks so much. Bye for now.